Hi Victoria, what do we have here today?
We have another big box of books.
Ooh,
Yes, very excited.
oh my goodness, another Catalina Incognito.
Hey. Oh, here we go. Ring-tailed lemur princesses,
Whoa.
rulers of the truth.
Awesome. We have a great new reference series. Native American nations with Navajo, Algonquin, Nez Perce, Seminole, and Comanche nations.
Yay! And more nonfiction. We have the real history of Angel Island, as well as
The real history of the White House, the real history of the Gold Rush, the real history of the Transcontinental Railroad.
and we did pass this holiday, but the real history of Thanksgiving.
Oh.
And soon to be the real history of Juneteenth. Well,
Wow.
not so soon. But
Yeah.
coming up.
Oh, and a couple more Native American nations. We have Cherokee and Iroquois.
And now, Extra Life, the astonishing story of how we doubled our lifespan.
Oof. All right. Oh, another press start.
Hey.
Super Rabbit Boy versus Super Rabbit Boss.
Ooh, deep, deep down, the secret underwater poetry of the Moon.
The Ash Brothers. How Arthur and Johnny changed tennis forever.
Oh, I like my name.
Oh, those Cocomelon books keep going out. We are here.
All right, more nonfiction. We have Heading to Mars.
Darwin's Super Pooping Worm Spectacular.
Oh my
What a
goodness. Ooh, we're going to, we have the Magic Treehouse Sunlight on the Snow Leopard.
The baby and me.
Cute. Hush, Little Hero. Another word book.
Dim sum, here we come.
Oh, sorry. We have a Critter Club, Amy and Emerald the Snake.
Chloe's Lunar New Year.
Yay, just in time. Gigi and OGG, What's in a Name?
A flag for Juneteenth. Another Juneteenth book. Oh, with beautiful quilts. Cool.
Love it. Ooh, we have Meet Miss Marvel.
The Universe in You, a microscopic journey.
Ooh. Okay, we have a graphic novel of I Survived, and it is Hurricane Katrina.
American Girl, body image.
And our very last one, we have My Song.
Can't wait to read all these great books and share them with our friends here at the library.